In this video, we'll show you how the C Electrical Autogen add-on can automatically generate a complete set of electrical schematics, including all required graphical reports and lists, in less than 1 minute. Using a simple Excel-based script and intelligent symbol groups, you'll see how Autogen transforms repetitive engineering tasks into a fast, automated process, helping you save time, improve consistency, and reduce manual work. We begin with a new, empty project. At this stage, no project information has been entered, and the project contains just a single, blank schematic page. A project cover sheet is already included in the template, but it has not yet been populated with any customer details or technical project data. In the next steps, you'll see how C Electrical Autogen automatically fills in this information while generating the complete project documentation. To start the Autogen process, right-click on Circuit Diagrams and select Auto-Generate Diagrams. Next, select the Excel file containing the project data and generation script. This file defines the project information, the pages to be created, and the symbol groups that will be placed on each page. Once this setup has been configured, it can be reused for future projects. Simply select the appropriate Excel file and click OK to automatically generate the complete set of electrical schematics. In this example, we've also enabled the option to automatically generate the required graphical reports and lists as soon as the electrical schematics have been completed. The video is shown in real time and has not been fast-forwarded. In the status bar at the bottom of the screen, you can follow the generation process as each schematic page is created. Once the schematics are complete, the graphical reports and lists are generated automatically, resulting in a complete set of electrical documentation. In less than 35 seconds, C Electrical has generated 37 pages of electrical schematics, followed by 73 pages of graphical reports and lists based on those schematics. The result is a complete, consistent set of electrical documentation generated automatically in less than a minute. Our own address details, coming from the Excel script, are now filled on all pages and the cover sheets. Smart sheet cell references are created automatically, ensuring accurate navigation throughout the electrical documentation. Components that share the same device tag, such as PLC cards and their input or output signals, or relay coils and their associated contacts, are automatically linked using intelligent cross-references. The project information has now been filled in automatically. Customer details, technical specifications, and your own company information have all been imported directly from the Excel file, eliminating the need for manual data entry. After generating a project, you can still make manual adjustments just as you normally would. If you notice an issue, simply update the information in the Excel file, save it, and regenerate the project. When prompted, just click Yes to delete the existing pages and create an updated version automatically. This way, any corrections are also stored in your Excel master file for future use. Next, we'll update the machine name and machine type and select a different customer from the address book. Simply save the Excel script and run the Autogen function again. All changes are applied automatically to the project. If a page is already open, simply close and reopen it to refresh the view. You'll immediately see the updated and newly added information reflected in the project. Of course, you can also select No if you want to use the Autogen functionality to add specific pages to an existing set of circuit diagrams. For example, you can add a complete set of PLC reference cards and their linked PLC signals to an already generated project. We quickly verify if all correct graphical lists are generated and use the correct template. Once all pages have been generated, the list of documents can be created manually, or you can have Autogen generated automatically, completing the full electrical documentation package. The final step is to generate a smart PDF of the project using C Electrical PDF Writer, ready to be shared directly with the customer. The final result is a smart, high-quality PDF that mirrors the project structure of the SEE Electrical Project Explorer. With interactive bookmarks, intelligent navigation through sheet and cell references, and a powerful search function, you can quickly find the information you need and navigate effortlessly throughout the entire electrical documentation package. Of course, you can create as many Excel scripts and script variants as you need to support different standardized designs. For example, you can create separate scripts for different cabinet sizes, varying numbers of fuse holders, or other configurable project options. Autogen can even generate linked single-line and multi-line diagrams, complete with cabinet layout drawings, all within a single automated process. You can also use the Autogen function to add a set of standardized pages to a project that already contains existing pages. In this example, we want to add a set of PLC cards, including the input and output pages that are already linked together. Using the power of AI, we have created a large library of Autogen scripts that can automatically add all kinds of PLC group combinations to your projects. Simply select the PLC card combination you need and start the Autogen process again. When prompted, select No to indicate that you want to add the PLC cards to the existing project instead of creating a new one. The selected PLC card pages will then be added while preserving your existing project structure. We deliberately configured these Autogen scripts to insert the pages at very high page numbers. While some users may prefer to assign fixed page numbers directly in their Excel scripts, there are several ways to renumber the pages afterwards. You can use the Renumber All Drawings function or the Editor Documents tool to reorganize the page numbering. Another convenient option is Remove Gap Before This Page, which not only closes the page number gaps, but also gives you the option to immediately renumber the symbols based on your user-defined component numbering. This approach provides maximum flexibility, allowing you to either control the page numbering during generation or renumber the project afterwards with just a few clicks. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to learn more about the powerful C Electrical Autogen add-on, or if you're interested in training to help optimize your electrical engineering process, we'd be happy to help. Feel free to contact us for more information, a live demonstration, or personalized advice on how C Electrical Autogen can help take your engineering process to the next level.